Okay, Crazy Trade with Crazy version 10.4 review of 9th of April market. Now, just now someone texted me on the site to ask me to ask about certain thing to explain regarding about the market. Okay, I just do it a little bit here itself. Now, this is the VIX. VIX is a volatility index, and you can see that last night VIX basically was previous night was from 60, it smashed down to all the way to 38, and then yesterday again recover. So we do notice that, can you see here is the VIX. The last time we saw this was back in 24th on 5th of August back then. So after that, the market recovered, if you remember that. So I suspect that they will purposely flushed a lot of traders out later today, and then that is where I think the bottom of the market may actually happen. So that's the reason why. So be careful for today. Short sellers, be very, very careful. Yeah. All right, the other thing is that, of course, the next better deal is look at the dollar index, that's for sure. And you can see the dollar index itself, right, is that it have traded downwards. So the dollar index traded downwards means the gold price will go higher. This one is a fact. All right, so the 10-year yield itself, right, if you take a short look at the 10-year yield, you can see that the 10-year yield is shooting up itself. So why is that so, right? So basically is that there is a very high chance the market is pushing away the chance of having a rate cut. So if that's the case, then the market, if you want to save the day without cutting interest rate, then the next thing they will do is pump the money through some other sources. So the money will speak for itself. So how the price up and down will speak for itself. Yeah. Okay. So that is something that you can take a look and for you to extra. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the DEX, shall we? Yesterday, DEX, I want to go through with you how you were traded DEX yesterday. So follow me. Now, I already tell you guys, DEX is very good to trade. If you look carefully, DEX, when it's yellow, it's yellow. If it's red, it's red. Very nice. Occasionally some twists and turns, but overall it's fine. Okay, so let's go through DEX and prepare how to trade the indicator. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first of all, DEX open, and then you can see DEX open, right? It's a gap up on the DEX, but market is bearish. So after that, the DEX was covered there. So where would the first trade will be here? It's a first 4 diamond. Then you draw a line across it straight away, right? Do you notice that? So you notice that after you draw a line across it itself, right? Straight away, the market stays below the line CCYR. So that's where you short instead. You shouldn't go long. So the price came down, but it wasn't enough to go down to the MLP. Then after that, there was a 4 diamond stack with the diamond. So you have to change over. And after you've done that itself, you draw the line, you notice the same pattern again. After you draw the line, right? After you draw the white line, right, you notice that the market just cannot go up. So again, you should be focusing on the sell. But you notice that keep on selling, the market just came down to KTR -3. But don't forget that it's -3 already. That's a lot of money already. All right, so after that, what happened? Let's take a look. There is, again, another stack in the market. You draw, put it in. Now, this time now, the market was a bit better. It went up by at least almost 2 KTR in this case. Okay, so where's the main gist of this? Is the double diamond. Now, someone asked this question. Okay, wait. It seems that the double diamond much better than the stack diamond as well. Because double diamond usually form the base. Stack diamond sometimes may not be the base. Guys, I say again, these 2 diamonds, when we created it itself, we never created that to have double diamond or to have a stack diamond. We never created this. It's just that when we do the algorithm, right, then we notice as a stack diamond, there's a double diamond. So when we do a research on them, then we realize that when you see a stack diamond or a double diamond, usually it's a market bottom. You understand? Huh? So the thing is this, you can see here itself, the market has a very nice bottom. KSI was red to green, then KCX was from blue to black, and you can see the KSI jumped quite a fair bit from the previous red bar, right? So that was where you should buy this DEX, and of course in this case it went all the way up. Now from the opening bell all the way to KTR -3. So obviously if the market break OP, sure we'll go to KTR +1, right? So that is how KTR +1 was given. All right, so that's how the DEX worked at the start of the day. Then as the time goes by, okay, as time goes by, you notice that as long as you follow the diamond, you should be fine and all this thing until you notice the color change over right here. So what you see, guys, the market hit KTR +3 already. So +3 means it's quite the top of the market, right? Then followed by the market stay below the white line, which is here. So that is where you should short the DEX. Now, the turning point, the most important is stack diamond here. You draw a line at the closing price. Initially, it went up, right? Fine. If you have purchased it there, no wrong. You're absolutely correct. But when the market failed to stay above the line, you can see the market purposely hit the line and then come back down and rejected it, right? that is where you really have to sell already. And of course, you can see the market really cascaded downwards all the way. All right, all the way the market comes down. All right, so this tells you that you need to place your line at the right place. So trading the line is not difficult, but you really must place it. So towards the end itself, right, a friend of mine called me up and say, Kel, DEX can buy already now. I say, why? Leh? He said that because it's near MLP. I said, oh, okay, fair enough. Down the market, there's MLP. But then there's a diamond there. I told my friend, careful. Why? Leh? Because I said, this recovery looks good, yeah, because it's bottoming. All right, but the KSI was red, KCX although was turning black. So I told my friend, please draw the line. Now everybody see this one. I draw the line for him, right? I sent to him. You see this? The market has never given the indication to buy. Now, this is why I say the diamond is so important. The closing line is very important. Traditionally, it's all right. After the market has came down so badly, and then you have a base here, and the market recover. I mean, a lot of us traditional traders, conventional traders, we surely will buy. Agree? We will surely buy. But if you buy it right, then you know something is wrong. And if you put the white line properly, you will notice that the market is sideways already. And the one that basically hits me was this one here, when the market purposely go very near to the white line and then reverse. With the KSI rate, I know that this one sure gonna. So I tell my friend, be careful, the market will sell down. And truth be told, the market really sold down later part. So guys, we know that the diamond primary was meant for buying, but I also tell you that if the market cannot stay above the line, you can use for selling. So that's why this you don't need two symbol to do trading. You just need one symbol and one white line. Just remember, stay. Yeah, can buy DEX until OP now. DEX OP, the DEX not open yet. Leh. DEX open only at 2 o'clock, my friend. Yeah, maybe yours can trade, but not for AIM side itself. Yeah, AIMs cannot trade DEX at the moment right now. Okay, Ken? Yeah, so sorry for that. Okay, so this is the review of the market that happened yesterday. All right, so this one, same thing, guys. If later on, if DEX actually opens and then do have a chance to trade down to here, it'll be fun because you have all the KCB. Now, of course, someone asks, how come my KCB, the level cannot come out? Don't worry, just right click and then press refresh. The number will come out. Okay, right. As long as the market stays below OP, the KCB at the bottom will appear on your screen. If the market is above OP, then the top KCB will appear on the screen. Now, sometimes this happens when you open your chart, right? Two side KCB come out. So which one is correct? Don't worry, just refresh. How to refresh? Right. First, if it's two KCB on both sides, just change the time frame from day chart to 5 minutes. 5 minutes of day chart, you're done. Okay, that's how you do it. Yeah, all clear? All right, guys, that will be and buy DEX until OP. I mean, for example, you're talking about what happened yesterday, is it? Chandu, you're asking me if yesterday can buy, is it? Because yesterday I think I shared an example now. Are you just asking me that? Okay, let me just bring back my 5 minute chart. Oh, there. Seems like I get hanged again. Okay. Yes, of course. Just now, when I just explained to you, if you saw the double diamond, you draw a line here itself. You notice the whole entire area here. There was no more other diamonds. The KSI was all the way green. The KCX all the way black. So if just now, right, if you follow rules and you enter a buy above the white line, you can hold all the way to OP. No problem. As long as you are buying, the market doesn't pull back. So one thing is that I noticed this will always happen to most of us is that you buy, you do this. Oops. Okay, so what you all do is that you draw the line first, example, right? Okay, after you draw the line already, then you're going to buy, right? Okay, this is what usually a lot of students will get hit. They buy here. Okay, after they buy here, right? But because recently the volatility is crazy, yeah, the delta is high. So many people by right after you put a buy here, your stop loss should be, should be here, right? That should be a stop loss, right? Okay. But because you saw the market go to 1 KTR, right? So a lot of you quickly shift your TP to here. I don't think now for today, especially these few days, is a good idea because the volatility is really nuts. So I think yesterday, two students say, Kel, I bought DEX. Then I put my stop loss, I lifted up to the SWL, the showing level. Then they put it in, instantly the market hit them. Then after it hit them, the market jumped. So then they say, then how? That's why I say, guys, now you must understand it's not the normal day period, not normal. Even Warren Buffett said this is like a financial war like that. You after you buy ready, your stop loss still must be the same. True. So, but then don't set SWL too early. You see, when the price go up, the market purposely come down to the SWL level. So the market is killing, stopping out people who do SWL. So for now, unless you are very far away profit, then you shift your stop loss. If not, right, for intraday trading nowadays, just put entry, stop loss, let it run. Then take profit along the way, stop loss still stay there until it's a bit of distance away from you, and then you shift your stop loss to the above entry to play it safe. All clear? If all clear, press the next number, which is number 8 here itself for now, yeah? Because the delta means the market, the shift, the up down is too fast already. Even I, as an experienced trader, I also hands off. I also put my thing further away. Yeah, it's too fast. Yeah. Okay. All clear. Okay. All right. That'll be all for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. I'll be away this afternoon. Please, if you need help, please get Susan and Disha to assist you. Yeah. Okay.